So we are going to see how we can inspect and loop through object contents, which is basically the keys and the values. I'll create something. Let's say an object const, or what do we call this? Let's say profile. Okay. So then we'll have the ID. The ID is gonna be 25. Okay, the spelling is wrong. It should not be uppercase. Const. Okay. So then we have name. What name should we use this time? Lydia. And then location. You remember we said location will have to use this like keep here. Okay. And then what else? Phone. Are these 10 values? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. In this case, it's a string. Should be a string. And then email. Okay. Lydia 123 at gmail.com. Okay, so we have, these are values, these are keys of the profile object. So we are going to loop through. This happens when we want to see how many keys do we have or values do we have in an object, or how many entries do we have. So there are 3 ways to do it. The first way, we are going to loop through the keys. This is how it's done. So we'll say const keys is equal to Object.keys. What do these keys be? Where do these keys belong to? The profile object. Okay, so we'll put that in the bracket, and then what will happen? We are going to log on to our console, and then print keys. We should be able to see ID, name, location, phone, and email without their values. So we go to our terminal. Oh, sorry. I use this best. Okay. Say we run our command. Sorry about that. So we'll say node Object.js Okay, you see, this is an array, so it gives us an array of all the keys in this object: ID, name, location, email, phone, email. Okay, this is an array. Array is in this kind of format, in square brackets separated with commas. So this is first. There are three ways, as I stated, using keys, values, and also entries. Keys is when we're just looking at the keys, and values is when we are looking at just values, not the keys. But entries, we are looking at the both keys and values. These are ways to look through the object content or object keys and values. Okay, so using values, we'll say const values object dot values, and then values for which object is profile. Okay, and then we are going to log on to the console dot log. Then what are we printing? We are printing values. Okay, so this time we should be able to just see from here 25 Lydia, like here, the number and the email. That's what we will be seeing. Let me expand this a bit. So you see 25 Lydia, like here. Okay, this is an array of just the sorry for the noise, I'm not using mic at the moment, just bear with me. Yeah, so let's do the entries. We'll say const entries is equal to object dot entries for this profile. So we console dot log, and then we say entries. So we should be able to see both the keys and the values. So you see, so we have the ID, the name Lydia, the location, which is like here. Then we have phone, which is this. We have email, which is this. The reason why we're having this printed out in a location, because we've used those brackets, square brackets. Okay, yeah, that's it, and I hope you've learned something how to inspect and look through object keys and values in JavaScript.